Welcome to StudyLoom, your ultimate platform for top-notch computer science engineering resources. We know how overwhelming it can be to sift through endless information online, which is exactly why we created StudyLoom. Our mission is to bring together high-quality, accessible notes and study materials tailored to help you succeed in your academic journey. At StudyLoom, we're a passionate team of engineering professionals dedicated to crafting innovative solutions that propel progress across industries. We prioritize quality and precision, leveraging cutting-edge technology to turn ideas into reality. With us, you can trust that every resource is designed to enhance your learning experience and ensure excellence in your studies. Dive in and discover how we can support your path to success. At StudyLoom, we believe that high-quality education should be accessible to everyone. Our platform offers structured learning materials in Java programming, data structures and algorithms, digital marketing, and database management systems. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, our resources are designed to be practical and easy to understand. Imagine mastering Java from the basics to advanced concepts like multi-threading or acing coding interviews with our DSA challenges. Dive into the world of digital marketing with insights on SEO and social media strategies, or learn how to manage databases effectively with our comprehensive DBMS guides. With StudyLoom, you can learn at your own pace, engage with a supportive community, and stay updated with the latest industry trends. Your journey to success starts here.
To record. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to start your first recording. Click on the Loom icon and choose what you want to record, your screen, your camera, or both. You can customize your recording settings to suit your needs. You can even record your screen and a small bubble in the corner with your face. This feature is great for tutorials and presentations. After have a Loom account. It's a seamless way to distribute your content. You can also embed your Loom videos on websites or learning management systems. This makes it easy to integrate your videos into various platforms. Section 5. Loom in Action, Success Stories and Call to Action. Loom is already being used by millions of educators and students around the world. This powerful tool is revolutionizing the way we teach and learn, making education more accessible and engaging for everyone. Teachers are using Loom to flip their classrooms, provide personalized feedback, and create engaging instructional videos that capture students' attention and enhance their learning experience. These videos allow teachers to explain complex concepts in a simple and effective manner, making it easier for students to grasp difficult topics. Students are using Loom to collaborate on projects, record presentations, and ask questions. This fosters a more interactive and dynamic learning environment. One teacher shared how Loom helped her connect with a shy student who was struggling in class. By using Loom, she was able to provide the student with personalized feedback in a comfortable and non-intimidating way. By recording personalized feedback videos, the teacher could address the student's specific needs and concerns, helping them to improve and gain confidence. The student felt more comfortable asking questions and participating in class, leading to a more inclusive and supportive learning environment. Loom is a game changer